Top 6 Home Gadget. Product 1.
Tired of struggling with cheese grating? Meet the Zule Kitchen Rotary Cheese Grater. It's safe, easy to use, and super efficient. Grate cheese 18 times faster than by hand. 5 interchangeable blades for versatile slicing. Perfect for veggies, nuts, and soft cheeses. The reinforced suction base keeps it steady. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. Compact storage box keeps everything organized. Grab yours now and elevate your kitchen game.
Product 2.
Craving a frozen treat? Get ready to indulge. The Ninja Slushie makes slushies in minutes. Its rapid chill technology freezes drinks fast. Transform any liquid into a smooth, frozen delight. Choose from 3 preset programs for perfection. Customize your drink's texture with ease. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe parts. Enjoy frozen drinks that last up to 12 hours. Perfect for parties, gatherings, or a cozy night. Order your Ninja Slushie today and chill out.
Product 3.
Are you tired of shredding chicken by hand? The Chicken Shredder tool makes shredding effortless. It's made from high-quality, BPA-free materials. This tool is heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe. With just a twist, you can shred meat in seconds. The anti-skid base keeps it stable during use, perfect for tacos, salads, and barbecue dishes. It's a great gift for cooking enthusiasts, too. Order now and elevate your cooking game. Don't miss out on this kitchen essential.
Product 4.
Ever wished for a grill that does it all? Meet the Ninja Griddle and Indoor Grill, your new kitchen hero. Interchangeable grill and griddle plates for versatility. Cook up to 500-degree RAWs for perfect searing and grilling. Enjoy edge-to-edge cooking with no hot spots. Low smoke design keeps your kitchen clean and fresh. Family size capacity fits meals for 4 to 6 people. Cleanup is a breeze with non-stick, dishwasher-safe plates. Cook hood up for high heat or hood down for melting. Order your Ninja Griddle today and elevate your cooking.
Product 5.
Looking for a kitchen game changer? The Ninja MC1001 Foodie Possible Cooker PRO is here. It replaces 14 cooking tools and appliances effortlessly. Sear and saute directly in the pot for convenience. Oven safe up to 500-degree gauges for that perfect crispy finish. Its 8.5 quart capacity is perfect for large gatherings. Cook 30% faster with triple fusion heat technology. Enjoy 8 cooking functions for all your culinary needs. Cleanup is a breeze with its non-stick pot design. Don't wait, order yours today and elevate your cooking.
Product 6.
Are you tired of waiting for hot water? The Chefman electric kettle boils water in just 3 minutes. Enjoy your tea or coffee without the long wait. This kettle features automatic shutoff for safety. It also has boil dry protection to prevent accidents. With a sleek borosilicate glass design, it looks great. The blue LED lights add a modern touch while heating. Its cordless design allows for easy serving anywhere. Experience mess-free pouring with its drip-free spout. Don't miss out. Order your Chefman kettle today.